Okay, and I think I'm back. That was a nightmare. Um, the power went out. Or didn't really go out. It blinked long enough to restart the computer. Everything's fine, but, um, except for sound settings on my computer, which were all messed up. My speakers weren't working. My microphone wasn't working. I had to reset the Pulse Audio drivers, do a bunch of plugging, unplugging, all kinds of stuff. Is just screwed up. Um, so I got a little bit more time. See if we can get anything done. Let's see. So and gonna be a Vim. Uh, God damn it. Hey, open. Let's recover. All right. Got. Need to open Bruno again. Okay. I think we're back. Yeah, it was a hell of a thunderstorm. Still going on a little bit, but I wasn't expecting it. Hot as hell, bright and sunny an hour ago. So, where are we? Whoops. So, we're in our updating, and we just got this to work properly, but we want to send back our response user instead of the user. Which, okay, so I think it's a user. So, what I think we can do is just response user new from you. And I believe down here, so we need to say that it's taken in user. Not sure if that's what it is taking in, but we'll see. It's compiling. It's a good sign. Okay. So, Bruno, we need to open up update user. We need to go to the body and first name will go with 3. Alright. Now let's make sure that it did actually update that. It's Yep. Alright. Okay. That's curious. It's not returning a response user. It's returning a full user. I bet you I didn't save before I... Whoops. The fuck did I just do? Alright. Let's try it again. Alright. 4. There we go. 4 Morgan. Alright. We got it. So, got all this. And... Oh, Okay, so that's... Oh, yeah, we need to fix this stuff. So, for this none, what we are doing is... So this is... We're matching the option, so it didn't find anything, is what this is. User with this ID not found. Which... the hell? W. File exists. Okay. So we want not found, which is a 404. No, not 4. 404 not found. I'm just going to leave that. That's not the correct thing, though. We'll address that later. This one, there's internal server error. Okay, so that's fixed. So what do we do? Send updated user data after user is updated. Alright, we need to do the same thing here. But what do we want to return? Do we want to return the full user from this? Because I'm thinking... So you're updating the avatar. So we just send the route. So... Oops. Damn it. JSON can be just a string. So... format. Should we send the user, though? So we're just updating the avatar. And yeah, we're not sending the full user. It's not a issue to send the full user back. I'm just thinking what makes more logical sense. Like if I update the avatar, do I want the whole user back? Like if I'm just doing like, I've got a route for update user. Makes sense, just send everything back. But if this is a route just to update, to add an image, just send the route for that image back. I think that makes more sense. So /avatar /boop dot webp. This is actually API /API/avatar. And then this will be is avatar the user.avatar. Yeah, I guess so. All right. All right, let's update our avatar. See how that works. We save. Restart our server. All right. So now we're gonna update avatar. We gotta grab this data as well. ID and then auth header. And then our body. Okay, we got the right image. Send it off. Okay, for Morgan. SA don't need to be verified to do this. Who cares? You just need to be a user. Maybe. Might need to. So I'm thinking if someone wants to attack this, then what they could do is just create an account. As long as they're unverified, you know, they don't have to verify their email, and then they could just spam this route if they really wanted to. So we are going to have to check that verification. But for now, don't care. Okay, so that's good. This is coming back. Yeah, we got the same. Oops. Yeah, this is me trying to solve the issue. What is GitHub? Open. Okay. So we need to do the same thing for this that we did previously. So I'm actually going to open this up over here as well so that I can reference it. Wait. What? No, that was stupidly. Alright, we're still getting... Okay, there we go. /API/avatar/ yada yada webp. Awesome. Alright. Working. Let's see next. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? I think what we're doing is... Okay, that's updated. Update the updating avatar responds with address of with link to image. Okay. Next thing we need to do, I want to send that image, because right now we're storing the image and we have a route to it. Or we have a string, and we give a string to a route to it, but it doesn't actually do anything. That route does not exist. So I'm thinking we're going to be doing that in main. So figure routes user config. I did that wrong. Whatever. So let's look at source. We've got our routes user to our. I think I just did that right now. Oh. Okay. Well, let's just add another service. So dot service. It's gonna be web scope /API/ avatar. Can we do alright, to the docs. Well, actually not the docs, but Actix.rs has the easiest way to get going with this. Basics, getting started. So we can do service and route. So this one is specifically a route. And we can just run that. Web get to manual hello. Where's manual? Okay. So, not this. Route. Web forget how to do that. Okay, we need to define the route first. So, /API / avatar / and image ID. Okay. And then it'll be web get.to, web get.to, and then our route. We'll call it get avatar. And we'll define that here. It's going to be async function get avatar. It's going to take... Alright, now I'm going to reference something else I've got. If I can find it. I think it's on GitHub. We call it Rusty something. Rusty Web, yeah. So I was working with Rust and WebGL here. And I was just serving files. So I want to remember how to do that. Source front end rs. Ugh, it's in a different. This is fine. It's returning a result named file. I don't think I need the path buff, to be honest. I can just return that. Actix web result. Okay. Actix files named file. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, do I need Actix files? I think I do. Damn it. Need another. Cargo at. Let me check crates.io first. Crates.io. Actix files. Yeah, this is the right one. So it's Actix -files. Cargo add Actix -files. And then we got that. Now here, for Actix web, we need result. And then we need to use Actix files, named file, right? Yeah, named file. Soup. And what's this taking in? Nothing. We'll obviously have to take something in, though. Result named file. Shit. That's actually good. Yeah, it's concerned because we're overwriting result. So right here, this is overwriting our standard IO result. But the only place we're using result is here, and we're already using the full qualifier. Okay. Name file. Okay. Now we need to take in. Oops. We don't need our client. We don't need the body. So next one. Here we go. This right here. Excuse me. Sorry, had a scratch in my throat. What we're going to take in is image ID, which is web path string. And then let's check this. So path buff I don't think we need to even... I don't think we need to use the path buff here. Named file, open. Alright, so okay. Named file, open. And we will need format. So slash slash avatar slash, and then this will be our image ID .webp. Oh, its image ID should contain webp in it. So yeah, we need to make sure this is avatars. And so this right here will be our image ID. I think that's going to be it, honestly. I'm sure we have errors, but... yeah. Expected named file, found result named file error. Arguments this... result named file. It's okay. I mean, to be honest, do we need result? Oh, yes. Okay. Because named file could be an error. So if we try to open, we could get an error. Why would we be returning a result, though, for this? Mismatch types. Yeah, I think I can just return to turn. No, this file can't be. No, I think this is right. So let's try this. Match named file open. So Actix files and documentation, structs, named file, open. So open returns a result named file. Yeah, okay. So and that's what we're trying to return here. So what's our issue? Expected named file. Why would you expect named file? Expected Actix. Found standard IO error. Oh, I see. Missing that question mark. Huh. Let's undo that. Yeah, that's working. Now. Finished. Okay. Let's... I'm gonna go to code, go sphere, and avatars. Take that. Now, if we do localhost 8000 / API / avatar / this.webp, the image cannot be displayed because it contains errors. That's okay. Why? Let's try this. Check the /. I'm just gonna do standard path buff, which, yeah, that path. Standard path. Standard path. Path buff. Equal. Where's format? That's format. So it's a slice, it looks like. Okay. So format /avatars / this image _ID parse unwrap, and then here get rid of this format and just open path. No errors. Let's see, get here. Motherfucker. Let me try something. So I'm confused. So image content, web block, standard FS read, path. I'm gonna wait. And why are we blocking it if we're awaiting it? That response is only sending the file path as the body. You would need to open and read the file to achieve its contents first, either via standard read, Tokyo FS read, or something else. But with Actix files, and assuming that no additional logic is needed, you only need to set up a route to a new static file service. So service. What? No. This was 2020. Can't be that easy. Alright, so let's try. Just gonna comment this out. And then same with this. Service. Files. Open. Is that right? Files new. Files? Yes. New. And Actix files. Files. Right? Yeah, Actix files. Files. So theoretically, this should be /API/avatar. /avatar. Theoretically. I'm highly suspicious. It builds. Am I getting the same thing? /API. Okay. So I did have a typo there. God. It does not contain errors. Localhost 8000 /API /avatar /yada.webp. It doesn't contain errors. What's going on here? Wait, what? Alright. Actix files. Files. Static files handling service. App new service. Yep. Files new static. Which one is this? So new. Mount path. Serve from. First argument, mount path is the root URL, which the static files are served. So /API/avatar, correct. For example, /assets will serve file example.com/assets/something. Second argument, serve from its location on disk. Okay, this can be a relative path. It's from the current working directory. Okay, we're good there. If the mount path is set as the root path, services registered after this one will be inaccessible. Yeah. Register more specific handlers and services first. Files utilize the existing Tokyo. So what's the issue? Am I getting... So /avatars. How does it contain errors? That doesn't make any sense. Is this PHP? Don't give a shit. HTTP. It's Mozilla. It might be. No, it's... I'm gonna try this with Chrome, actually. It says that there's a bug. I find that difficult to believe, but nope. Not found. So Chrome is saying not found. No web page is found for the web address. Yada yada /API/avatar. Oh shit. You know what? I just realized this is blocking out this. Everything /API is going to this one. Let's try it now. There we go. Alright. Working on Chrome. Alright, just a simple route issue. Alright, sweet. That's easy. That's very nice. Very nice. I like this. Right here. This nice, simple syntax. It's pretty cool. Alright. Default. Create. Repeat. Create. Route for serving avatar images. And I'm going to call it a day right there because only a few little while away. I don't want to start anything new, and I got a lot done today on this, which I'm pretty happy with. So I am going to end it here, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning. It's evening. All right. Toodaloo.